Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the batteries and placing them on a non-conductive surface. This prevents shorting and accidental activation. Once done, position the Maglite head facing up on stable work surface so you can control parts. Now grip the head firmly and twist counterclockwise about a quarter turn. This unlocks the bezel. You're creating safe access to the bulb and reflector, which is faster than fiddling later and reduces risk of dropping small parts. With the bezel loosened, rotate and pull the head assembly back to reveal the reflector and bulb. This gives you clear visual access. Once visible, depress the retaining spring slightly and use tweezers to lift the bulb. Grip the glass, not the metal contacts, to avoid oil transfer or breakage. Make sure to note the bulb's orientation and where the spring sits, because correct placement ensures focus and circuit contact when reassembling. If the bulb resists, wiggle gently. Force risks cracking the reflector. Now install the replacement bulb in the same orientation you removed it. Press it gently into the socket and make sure the spring is seated to maintain contact. Once the bulb and reflector are aligned, slide the head back and tighten until you feel the quarter-turn lock. Then reinstall batteries and test the light. If it flickers or fails, turn it off, remove batteries, clean the battery and contact surfaces with isopropyl, reseat the spring and bulb, then retest. This usually resolves poor contact issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.